Welcome back to Electrostudy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the basics of drawing sheet and most probable questions which can be expected in the area of drawing sheets. Probably you might have learned the basic concept of drawing sheets in engineering graphics. So let me have the brief discussion. So at the end of the video, you will be able to understand the BIS code corresponding to drawing sheets and 5 important designations of drawing sheets and the dimension of each drawing sheet, and there are some certain ratio between two sides of drawing sheets, and what is a commonly used drawing sheets in engineering practice. So first and the foremost, so let me note down one important point. Yes, the BIS code corresponding to the drawing sheet. So I would like to draw the points. I would like to mention the point. The BIS code, the first point is Bureau of Indian Standard. The BIS code corresponding to drawing sheet. You can make a note of this. So what is the BIS code? So it is denoted by SP. Then put one colon 46 hyphen 1988. It may ask in the MCQ type examination. There are 5 designations. How many designations? There are 5 designations. What are they? The designations are as follows. A0. Then let me write A1, A2, A3, A4, and the last one is A5. So these designations are very simple. Like usually we are using A2 sheet. You are remembering, no? So we are fixing the A2 sheet in the wooden board and we are started drawing. Fine. And for your, whenever you are writing the notes, we are using A4 size paper. A4 paper. Correct, no? So that is a simple meaning of this designation. Now what I am going to do is, so I'll be drawing I'll be mentioning the designation with respect to the trimmed size, then untrimmed size, and the area. So first let us consider A0. A0 is the first designation. The trimmed size, let me write the trimmed size. It is 841 into 1189. This is width and this is length. All are in millimeter. So you can write a trimmed size. Okay, trimmed size. Then we can mention the untrimmed size. Untrimmed size. Here, all your untrimmed size is always exceeded the trimmed size. So untrimmed size is 880 millimeter into 1230 millimeter, of course, width and length. And what is the surface area? Surface area you can note down. The surface area is 1 mm square. Sorry, 1 meter square. Surface area is, you can write 1 meter square. So 1 mm square, sorry. Surface area you can write 1 mm square, millimeter square. Okay. 1 mm square. Likewise, you can write A1. A1 is another type of drawing sheet. So at the trimmed size is around 594 into 841. And regarding untrimmed size, it is more only 625 multiplied by 880. 660 by multiplied by, or you can write by. People will say like multiplied by or 625 bar or 625 by 880. So what is the area? Area is again half. Okay. Now let me talk about A2 size paper, A2. Okay, A2. The trimmed size is 420 into 594. The untrimmed size, that is 450. It is more only, remember like that. 450 into 625. And the area 0.25. So let me talk about A3. The trimmed size is 297 by 420. The untrimmed size is 330 by 450. You have to remember this. Area 0.125. Now A4. Let me talk about A4. So A4 I am going to write. It is the trimmed size is 210 by 297. The untrimmed size is 240 by 330. The area is 0.0625. Here I am going to write the last one. So please make a note, A5. So let me write the trimmed size, that is 147 by 210. Similarly, untrimmed size is, obviously it is high, 165 into 240, where area, it is less only, 03125. So what is the conclusion you made? As the designation increases from A0 to A5, the area is going down. It is coming down. Area is coming down. Also, the dimension also goes down. These are the conclusion which we can make up. Now, I would like to discuss some important ratios. Please pay the attention. Okay. So one important ratio is the one important ratio. Okay, make a note of this. It can be asked in the examination. One important ratio related to the size of sheet, size of drawing sheet. Okay, kindly note down separately. So this is very, very important. So ratio of sides of each sheet. What is the ratio? What is the ratio of sides of each sheet? Sides of each sheet. It may ask in the objective type question. The right answer is 1:2. If I take the side ratio, okay, between A0 and A1 or A1 and A2, then I am getting 1:2. The second type of question is the ratio of area of sheets. So what is the ratio of area? Next one is area of each sheet. So that ratio is, if the sides are like 1:√2, of course, the area will be 1 square is to √2 square. 1 square is nothing but 1, √2 square is nothing but 2. Just remember this shortcut. Similarly, another important question, the commonly used drawing sheet. What is the commonly used? Okay, what is the commonly used drawing sheet? I feel this question will be really useful for your exam point. Can you tell me which is the commonly used drawing sheet? Yes, the commonly used drawing sheet is, we already drawn during our engineering, that is A2 sheet. So this is very, very important. So in this session, what we have done is, initially I have given the overview. So what is the BIS code for drawing? That is SP 46 bar or 46-1988. There are 5 designation which is starting from A0 and A5. The largest sheet is, which is the largest sheet? Tell me which is the largest sheet. Largest drawing sheet is A0. A0 is the largest drawing sheet. Largest dimension, which is having the largest dimension. Okay. Drawing sheet which is having the highest dimension is A0. The drawing sheet which is having the lowest dimension. The lowest dimension is, which is the lowest dimension? Yes, of course, A5. Now, what is the sheet which we have used in our education during our engineering? We have used A2 sheet. So for the college purpose, for the college, they have given the A4 size paper, and we have completed our course engineering graphics. Hope it is remembered. Now the ratio, we studied the different ratio. The ratio, if I talk about the ratio of sides of each sheet, that is 1:√2, where the ratio of area of sheets are 1:2. The commonly used drawing sheet, once again I am repeating, it is A2. So these are the important points we discussed in this session. So remaining part, you can read any one of the engineering graphics textbook. So thank you so much for watching this video. So kindly note all the points in your particular notebook so that you can revise during the examination. Have a happy learning. Thank you.